which really have helped us in an enormous way of managing the different consistencies. Because as Graham said, there are so much data. So you're ending up spending 90% of your time correlating data, and then 5% of being intelligent about it. But now with a data warehouse, with consolidation of data, you can spend 95% of your time being smart and intelligent about it, because the data is just consolidated and are ready to be used, if you like. And we have conditions like, when we negotiate with carriers, we know, like with the DHL of this world, they have got a lot of data. The power of the data is, of course, that we can look at margins on any sort of level, if you like, by carrier, by customer, by shipments, etc., and we can tune up the margins, where we then identify through other parts of the data that we are spending a disproportionate amount of time on this carrier or this customer, if you like. So we will never have been able to do that in the past, never.
So you feel there's been a streamlining and almost getting rid of the flabbiness from your process, if I can use that word, from processes.
Absolutely.
Okay, great.